Hello friends, this is Showman from Oil and Gas Field Quality Control. Today is a subject of gathering some knowledge or refreshing our mind. What is piping? How piping is different with plumbing? Let us have some insight. Let us start. What is piping and components of piping? Interconnected pipes subjected to some set or sets of design to fulfill the purpose of fluid transportation using different flow control and measurement methods. This is called piping. Piping also contains different types of components inside it, like pipe fittings like elbow, tees, reducers, flanges, some valves, gate valve, globe valve, ball valve, butterfly valve, control valve, etc. Instruments like pressure indicator, temperature indicator, flow meter, etc. Some equipments like pumps, vessels, heat exchanger, ejectors, etc. What is a pipe then? The main part of any piping system are pipes, which are used to convey materials. Pipe can be defined as a metallic or non-metallic cylinder used to convey fluids or transmit fluid pressure. A pipe is normally a tubular section, but its shape is not restricted to a circle. Pipes are made out of metals, ceramics, plastics, concrete, and fiberglass. Typically, metal pipes is made of steel or iron such as carbon steel, stainless steel, galvanized steel, ductile iron, brass, and alloy steel. Uses of different metal pipe are designed as per pressure and fluid flowing through it. There are some terms related to pipes that are important to know by all piping engineers. Generally, any pipe system to be used as per design and piping standard codes. What is a nominal pipe size or NPS? Pipe size is measured with this unit. A 4-inch pipe has never a dimension of 4 inch. Instead, its outer diameter is fixed at 4.5 inches and the inner diameter can vary depending on the thickness of the pipe. Nominal pipe size is neither OD or ID of the pipe. Manufacturing of NPS 1/8 inch to NPS 12-inch pipe is done with a fixed pipe outside diameter. So, any increase in wall thickness is resulted in to decrease the pipe inside diameter. Manufacturing of NPS 14 and above size pipe, OD has the same value of nominal size of the pipe. For example, a 16-inch pipe or a 20-inch pipe will have an OD of 16-inch or 20-inch respectively. Here is a chart for the nominal pipe size or NPS. This is to note that after 14-inch pipe size, its outer diameter and the NPS have the same value. So pipe OD and pipe ID. And there is a mean diameter which is less than OD but more than ID, which is NPS. We'll take some example. Let's say nominal pipe size is 1 inch. The outside diameter will be 1.315 inch or 33 mm. For 6-inch pipe, the outside diameter will be 6.625 inch, which is equal to 168 millimeter. If you go for 12-inch, the outside diameter will be 12.75 inch, which equals to 324 millimeter. For 14-inch, as I mentioned, 14-inch and above, the outside diameter will be 14-inch or 356 inch, and so on. What is pipe nominal bore or NB? NPS is frequently used term for referring to the size of a pipe. Basically, there is no difference between NB and NOS. NB is just an American way to refer the pipe size. What is pipe DN or diameter nominal? DN or diameter nominal is an international indication and also the European equivalent of NPS to indicate the pipe size. Here you have to note that DN is the way to indicate pipe size in millimeter. For example, 4-inch pipe is simply mean as DN 100. What is pipe schedule? unit of wall thickness measurement for a pipe is schedule. This is the standard method to define the thickness of the pipe in the process plants. To simplify the pipe thickness indication system, ASME, American Society of Mechanical Engineers Committee, has developed a schedule number system based on the modified Barlow's wall thickness formula. Schedule number actually is P by S. P is the service pressure in PSI and S is the allowable stress in PSI. So, what does Schedule 80 means? Schedule 80 is nothing but a pipe thickness indicator. In simple words, you can say that for a given material, Schedule 80 pipes can withstand a certain amount of pressure and stress. What is the difference between piping and plumbing? While piping and plumbing share many similarities, but the ultimate difference lies with the purpose of the piping system and plumbing. To know if it is a piping or plumbing, you have to determine by examining the pipe and its connected endpoints. That is, from where it is connected and where the fluid goes. Plumbing system transport water into facilities and provides safe drainages for water and wastewater, whereas piping system moves chemical, gases, water and many other fluids to support a system of manufacturing or processing operation. So in conclusion, we can discuss what is a piping system. A piping system is an assembly of pipes, fittings, valves and other piping components installed for purpose of moving chemicals, gases and many other fluids from one places to another. Pipes are the principal part of a piping system in the scope of a cylinder. The size of a pipe is represented as NPS and its thickness as schedule. Piping isometric drawings are a representation of 3D projection in a 2D plane. Description of pipe in a piping isometric gives information about pipe type, its material and age type, thickness and code to follow. In some of the next videos, I will be discussing the isometric drawing which represents the piping system 3D projection in a 2D plane in details. It will have 2 to 3 parts, so please be with me to have the detailed knowledge. Thanks a lot. If you like my video, please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel, and please hit the like button to inspire me more. Thanks a lot. Signing off, Showman.